Hello. In this video, I will teach you how to make beautiful websites using Cheetah Canvas. So just go to canvas.cheetah.co and in here you can just type in your ideas and get beautiful websites. There are templates for resumes, for research papers, and a lot of things. You can check them out. But first, we'll just go with the websites. So sign in and log in with your Google account. So here, we just go with this account. Yeah. So once you have logged in, you can see this projects page, and in here, either you can select the template that is present here, or you can just type in your prompt and let AI convert it into reality. So suppose in this video, I want to create a music website. Okay. So just write in what your requirements are. Select the model. I will recommend using Cheetah Pro model for best quality and less errors. So yeah, and if you want like more credits, like in trial you only have 5 credits, and if you want more credits, then just go to Pro, and you can just get started from here. It's 7 day free, so you will not get charged any money. And for the duration of hackathon, you can like unveil the complete benefits. Just click on here, and you can see that it charges us €0. Yeah. So you just create the music website here. I want to create a music AI landing page, make it beautiful and professional. Just this we have to type, and the AI will create a beautiful website for us. And yeah, let's just see what is the website that AI creates for us. We'll wait, and in here, the view is here, the code, the next year's template is here. The AI will write the code for it, and in the preview, the things that AI will create will present here. There is a button for deploying the website using this share button. There's a button for downloading the code using this button and sharing it via GitHub. So you can see the AI is thinking and it's researched for the companies to use, the images, the logos to use, and it's now creating our landing page. We have to just wait and see the landing page. And also the terminal button, just press it to hide this terminal, you can see. So yeah, it is creating our center. And we keep in mind that Canvas only works on desktop and on particularly well on Chrome browsers, Chromium based browsers. So yeah. In preview it might show this, but uh, the preview only gets updated after the AI has finished creating this. So we have to wait for that. Let's just see the AI's creation in action. We'll just wait for the AI to finish this. It is automatically chosen the colors, but if you want a different colors, if you want light colored website, or if you want light cream color website, you can just prompt the agent to choose that web theme and it automatically choose the good features for you. It might show errors in the beginning, but you have to wait for like 2 minutes for the entire preview to load. And once it has loaded, the website will appear in front of you. Let's see. It's created a beautiful website for us. The logo is also present, and the plans and FAQs and everything. If you don't like anything, then just ask AI to remove that. It will remove that for you. Like suppose I want to add a nav bar here. So beautiful color match nav bar. Yeah. So AI will create a nav bar and add it so that we can take advantage of that. So let's just wait for the AI to create the nav bar. We have to wait for the preview to appear here. As you can see, AI has generated a nav bar for us. So yeah, let's just deploy the website so that we can share it with other people. Just click on the share button and it will automatically deploy it for you. So also in the meanwhile, you can just download the code zip file here that you can use it with the IDE also. Uh, let's just wait for the deployment to finish. Yeah, as you can see, like our website has been deployed. You can share it with others. You can also iterate and add more chat input prompts and everything. And next video will teach you how to use it with the ID to create scalable backends for it. Thank you.